Lecture number 3. Manufacturing Engineering. Operating Manufacturing. Mr. Sayed Zardorbek. Spring Semester 2020. Contents. 1. Automated and manual manufacture. 2. The working environment. Number 1. Automated and manual manufacture. Automated machinery is not new. Automatic screw manufacturing machines controlled by steel cams were also introduced in the 19th century. Mechanically controlled automated machines were, and still are, widely used throughout all sectors of manufacturing industry. It is only recently, with the development of powerful microcomputers, that the use of computer numerically controlled CNC automated machine tools linked with industrial robots has become so widespread. CNC machines are controlled by a dedicated microcomputer. The operator has to program the computer using the data on the component drawing. The machine is then set and adjustments made for any small variations in tool and color sizes. Once this has been done, the machine will produce identical parts of identical quality. It will not get tired, and if it is fitted with automated equipment to load and unload it. Industrial robots. It can carry on working in the dark when everyone has gone home. The relationships between the inputs, outcomes, and information flow for automated computer numerical controlled CNC machines are shown in picture. With computer-controlled equipment, it is possible for a number of machines to be interconnected to a master computer to form an integrated automated production unit. This type of machinery requires high capital investment, but gives the benefits of maintained high output with a consistent level of product quality. Built-in or in-process measuring systems constantly monitor the size, shape or other parameters of the product at each critical control point and provide feedback to a comparison unit which provides correction automatically when there is a drift towards the predetermined, specified limits. There are a number of advantages in using computer numerically controlled CNC. 1. The program can be stored on disk or tape for reuse when repeat batches are required. 2. The writing and loading of a program is much quicker than manufacturing control cams of complex design. 3. There is total management control over performance, quality and costs. 4. The machine control system can be easily linked with other computer-controlled equipment and systems. Manual manufacture example also has been shown in this picture. But CNC is equally applicable to many other types of machines used in the manufacturing industries. Number 2. The working environment. The first task to be considered in the preparation for manufacture is the space around the equipment and machinery. This can be determined before the machinery or equipment is installed by the use of the scale models that are available for most standard machine types and sizes. Whole workshops can be planned three-dimensionally in this way. Space. Raw materials and part finished components must be delivered to the machine and its operator in a steady flow. If too much is delivered, the space around the machine becomes dangerously cluttered. If too little is delivered, the machine and its operator will be kept waiting and production targets will not be met. Similarly, processed materials must be removed from the work zone on a regular basis to prevent congestion and to prevent the next operation in the production sequence from being kept waiting. There must be adequate space around the machine for the free flow of the work being processed. Floor. The floor space surrounding the machinery and equipment should be clean, even and uncluttered. Substances such as cutting fluid, oil, grease or fat could, if left on the floor, cause an operator to slip and sustain an injury. Lighting. It is essential that operators can clearly see all the machine's controls, screens, dials and gauges, and on manual machines the item undergoing processing, as well as good overall lighting. The machine or equipment should have its own lighting system that can be positioned by the operator to illuminate the actual point of process cleanliness. Ensuring the machinery and equipment is clean and free from dirt is a fundamental part of preparation for processing, and is an essential action in the manufacture of food products in the interests of hygiene. Clothing and upholstery manufacture also requires the utmost cleanliness if the products are to be kept clean, unmarked and fit for sale. Before any cleaning takes place, make sure that the machine is switched off at the mains, and if necessary post a warning notice on the switchbox. Do not rely on interlock switches or machine controls. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions on cleaning the machinery. Safety. Ensure that all safety devices are in place and available. In particular, ensure that all guards are in position, secured, and in the serviceable condition. Never operate machinery or equipment without the guards in position. If there is any doubt about the condition and/or function of safety equipment and guards, notify your supervisor immediately. Do not operate the machine or equipment until the fault has been corrected. Guards must only be set and/or adjusted by a suitably qualified person and must not be tampered with by the operator. Tooling. If it is required, make sure that the correct tooling is available for the operation to be carried out and that it is in the serviceable condition. Should the tooling be damaged or blunt, it must be returned to the stores for replacement or refurbishment. The use of tools that are incorrectly selected or in poor condition will result in loss of production and poor quality products. Further, the use of such tools can be dangerous. Settings. All controls and instruments must be set correctly for the process to be carried out. Settings will include speeds, feeds, depth of cut, approach and runout distances, cycle times, processing temperatures, and thread tensions in machines. Summary. Please take a note this lecture to your draft. We will ask it. If you have any question, you can ask in our Telegram group. Follow the lectures. Thank you for watching.